If you are a part of the Amazon Vine program and you are frustrated that the system is giving you things you do not want and you don't understand why they are giving it to you, well, you definitely want to listen up in this video. I have been for the past couple of months, almost for an entire year, trying different things so that I can get the system to give me what I want versus some random things. And I have come to a conclusion, and I'm going to share with you in this video how you can prime the system to give you things that you want based upon order history and what you are looking for.
I'm going to reveal all I have learned that is my own thought process. It may not be the true nature of it, but it's been working in my favor. Now, when we get to this page here, as we all know, this is the additional items page where you can go and find everything. The problem I find most people are doing from reading blog posts and things like that is when people see something that is new and interesting, they're clicking on the actual title of the image or the see details. Now, I have learned when you click on either of those buttons, it triggers the system to say, this person likes this stuff. So, if they do have any future items that fall in this category and even related, it will show it to you because you keep clicking on things that you don't have much interest in, and it's telling the system all the things you like. So if you are a person who continuously look for bras or shoes or dog stuff or cards or something that is similar, now you may be like, I don't even click on anything and they send me this. Well, something you chose a long time ago is in the bucket of that item family, and that's why you're getting it. So once I understood, okay, if I need a light bulb for my house or something, I know I'm going to end up getting some light bulb suggestions from Amazon. The thing you need to know is you don't click on it when they put it in the recommend for you section. If you click on it, it's signaling to Amazon that you're interested in light bulbs, and they're going to keep on sending you light bulbs. Now, before you say my suggestion makes no sense, because how else will you figure out if you like the item or not? You have to look at it. I want to say what I do is I open it up in another tab. I typically am looking at Vine items on my desktop, so I can right click and open up another tab. If I am in by chance on my computer, I can still do that as well because I use Android and my browser, which is Chrome, allows me to open up another tab. So I'm never directly opening up these products on the Amazon Vine platform itself. I'm doing it outside of the platform, so I'm not signaling to Vine, hey, she likes this, send her more stuff like that. That's what you don't want if you don't want to keep getting flooded with these type of things. The number one thing I have done that helps me get the products I want them to suggest, recommend for me is to search Vine items. I don't know if many people are utilizing it versus just going to a category on the side here and just scrolling through each of the pages. But if you put in the search what you want, it eventually comes your way. For example, when I logged into recommended for you a couple months ago, I was offered a walking treadmill. I was so excited because I've been wanting one of those, but I didn't want to buy it. So I went to go click on see details, and I got the page that let me know I was not going to get it because they were all gone. And I was upset. I was like, dang, man, I didn't get it. Then I just decided to go into additional items and search Vine items and type in treadmill. And I kept doing it for a couple of days. And then a month or two, I want to say later, I was recommended a new treadmill. That is the light bulb that went off in my head. Like, did I prompt the system to understand what I wanted by continuously searching for the item in the system? Which makes sense because they want to know what you like so they can recommend it to you. So if you're searching for it because they're not recommending it to you in the recommend for you section, wouldn't it make sense that they take whatever you do click wise and word wise and then put it together to recommend the product they get from these sellers to help us get what we want so we can choose it to review it? So those are the things I have learned. Try it out, test it out. Let me know after a couple months if you actually got what you wanted. Once you stop being so clicky and searching everything, don't be so quick to click on see details. That triggers the system. Open up another tab, or I don't know, maybe incognito mode could work if you're on your phone, but do the other tab thing and use that search Vine items so that Vine can know what you want. And you don't got to keep paying for things that you can get for quote unquote free from the Vine program. And, I hope this helped you guys. Let me know in the comments.